Have you ever wondered what makes Snowflake so unique and beautiful? In the world of data warehousing, there's a new kind of Snowflake that's been making waves. Snowflake is a cloud based data warehousing platform that's been gaining popularity in recent years. But what makes Snowflake so special and why are so many companies flocking to it? First, let's talk about what Snowflake does. Essentially, Snowflake provides a central repository for all your company's data. This data can be structured or unstructured and can come from a variety of sources. Snowflake then processes and analyzes this data, giving you insights into your business that you may not had before. This can include anything from sales trend to customer behavior. But what does sets Snowflake apart from other data warehousing platforms? One of the biggest advantages of Snowflake is its scalability. Snowflakes can handle massive amount of data and can easily be scaled up or down depending on your needs. Another advantage of Snowflake is its ease of use. Snowflake is designed to be user friendly with an intuitive interface that allows even non technical users to access and analyze the data. Finally, Snowflake is incredibly secure with the features like multi factor authentication and role based access control. Snowflake is designed to keep your data safe and secure. So, if you are looking for a powerful and user friendly data warehousing platform, Snowflake might be the solution you are looking for. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Thank you.